In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get audit trails in DocuSign. An audit trail, sometimes called the Certificate of Completion, is the official record of everything that happened to an envelope in DocuSign. It captures who did what and when, including actions like sending, viewing, signing, and completing, along with timestamps and related technical details. This is essential for compliance, internal reviews, and responding to auditor requests. Start by signing into your DocuSign account and heading to the Agreements tab. This is where your envelopes live. If you have a lot of documents, use search or filters to quickly narrow to the item you need. You'll want the envelope that's already completed, since the final certificate is generated when the signing process finishes. Open the envelope's options by clicking the More menu. Depending on your account and interface version, you'll see options like History or sometimes View Certificate. Choose History to open the detailed activity timeline for that envelope. Here you can review each event in order, including when emails were delivered, when recipients viewed the document, and when signatures were applied. You'll also see timestamps and, in many cases, IP addresses and other metadata that help verify the chain of custody and provide traceability. If you're checking for a particular recipient's action or a specific date, scan the timeline to confirm exactly when it occurred. If you need to share or archive the record, look for Download Certificate. Clicking this saves a PDF version of the audit trail to your device. Keep that file with your agreement package so the document and its verification records stay together. This is especially helpful if you need to attach the proof to a ticket, an internal system, or a response to an external auditor. Store it in a secure location according to your organization's retention policy, since it contains sensitive activity information. If you don't immediately see the History option, remember that some interfaces label it as View Certificate. The content you get is the same authoritative record. Also, if the envelope isn't completed yet, the final certificate may not be available. You can still review in-progress activity from the History view, then download the certificate once all recipients have finished. For teams that need broader visibility, administrators can export account-level audit logs from the Admin tab. That's a centralized way to report on activity across multiple envelopes, subject to your permissions. And that's it. Log in, open the envelope from Agreements, choose History, and download the certificate to keep a verifiable, time-stamped audit trail alongside your document.